and destroyed many of the farms. So one of the things that the Ministry of Agriculture, the Ministry of Finance, and the Office of the President is going to be working with the District Assembly is to decide exactly the nature of the support we have to give to you.
Saridwabo sombra se bedwane yewura kwabraminta akando ko Ghana barase bedwamu abedwakuo ya kasa efa apomde ho nsam so no odimu akotrepa edema domkuma no eno adansam trofo nhye de akoso mo de asam to aban anim se aban su ne ban ya woda na di efa konfanoche aban ayaresa mpo ne Kolebu Teaching Hospital ho no ne ade no eyade se ehadwen na ne nyina no ene se wone a won kidney ho aka no sa fa ho no no aban no ato sa epono no mu amanfo ntimi nkoho ne ade eyade se ehadwen ye panta aban no hwe na sa su ne ban no omie pono no na ayafo no enkwaje apomdene.
With regards to the dialysis issue at Kolebu, we think that government is just being wicked. Government is being highly unconscionable. Government is being insensitive at this point in time. If you recall, when the increment came, we tried to meet management, and management assured us that yes, they didn't pass through the due process, and therefore it was retracted. We also demanded that the refund be made. They assured us that those who have paid on their next visit, they will not pay anything to knock off the difference. We have gone a step further to meet the minister responsible for health to tell him that whatever it takes by government to make sure that the renal unit of Kolebu is open must be done. Again, the minister responsible for health also assured us that as soon as possible, he was going to let them open the renal unit to OPD. Unfortunately, for the past 4 to 5 months, the renal unit has not been open to the OPD. And we think that as a matter of urgency, whatever it takes, whatever subsidy that the minister was talking about, wherever we can get the resources, we have COVID levies.
Akando.
Opim so ne se to ababi o ne sante hene sabrei wabafo to ni nyina dane sabusumi wo mini de na to sudunum na nanom asra na aso na eya kwaside eno nam so mawura nom ne aniti ne akuni atwetwe Europa biankoma wo mo Tennessee Memphis wo mo de wo mani monyam bepie mu na asem ni nyina dane se de konfanacha ba ya sabia aye de kuya da na mu ne ma bia sai no wo bafo to apre America dollars wo pepe no du na wo de ayemu adwuma siesia ama na ye kama enam so nti wo hene maboache je otu fo hiahene ene ade asem yi edeto awo wo mu fra America ba ye no anim wo mo so age penie se wo kwei wo mo nkoda so kora obekọ no akọ kansase no watumi ede aba beboa August busumi no mu ene wopem so epa adwumadie ho ntoma wo bra okopie so e wo Memphis ni dwumadie nyina da ene se konfa no cha ba ya sabia ache esi etumi sakra mu sanse wo man mu ya mantam dunsia no wiebe mu be se dumienu de ye bona yade ni bi edeba konfanochi.
His Majesty has a special request, and this is a project that is dear to his heart, and that has to do with the Konfanochi, which was named after our great high priest Konfanochi, the teaching hospital in Kumasi, which was built 70 years ago and is in dire need of renovations and rehabilitation. He has formed a committee to really organize a team of experts to raise $10 million to renovate the hospital, the walls and the extensions. So if you can put it on your agenda when you go back and get your colleagues to support and come to support his program that His Majesty has initiated in the coming years.
Sompa FM. We are in a babu JJ or 2-4 here, and yet it's a wabonkomo.
And run some trophy and shame with because so and this among your kuna from a party not trying to catch a samage and fin a friend some trophy say Maramiti Assembly. Now Sembi Dika na editing so any saying what I say. Sadia niema sikika kopa engumasimo benfo kwabana frempo boaten ekoye hwehwemu fa galamse hu a attorney general age krata na to atwe bia on person be ya adwuma no ha adwenti aban no hwe na attorney general onyini mfiri ho
when ministry wona so e wo fitina esa yi mu ni yama no 81 years because no kwelo no pese de babonse but so nyame gogogo yi aka sori o madam pa be de bisa bi o mo ye de sumo man no the baby. Tia Cassette, or Fredame, 1 year dead cry. Don't fuck, cat about to say, human would be there. They Papa will reach the money evangelisa because of money. And I can tell him in order. We have to know our resign in the next couple of days. And young man, as a man who will put pressure on him to resign, we will see if he has said. And I said, if I can, I said, if I had to condemn, you were to see a be on a special prosecutor. You said, and say, this is your 17, why is this here? But, and this is easy can sell no a week. Galanse is one said a week.
Na enuachi ochire se kisi ajaben so obi de mano
when dia won fa afengo emrebe dane ama baya dane abai dane sansem we ye nya no kataso no masudia ye be hwem na obi a wudi mu phobia ye de Ghana mra eji and I will say omo ayo Ghana ni a ono odi concession obi the fan you must obey you want the concessions kakra obi dey it if ma or small scale mining sites we no go use man some are mining to wabane small scale mining which is illegal it is cheap you go to fiase how much ministers MPs abeg pay for party pay for money ma pay mwenya kudada
ene ya etwaguye irasame jamfi
2024 en chekura foto sanso afo be kwamra chebe dwafiem de oman no akwa masika ndia beto Ghana de hyianim ne mu ntete hu bi a epiepie mu kire se niam a wode agu akwa mu no yade Ghana fo yenki akomantoem na nchekura ye betenka no ewe botom sanse inflation interest rate no wo me de nkonsonkonso obebo ni duam de natal down to said ya wo yosofo edu obi de aboduam mu ne no de agire enkansa di fo nkwa ne betumi akotiche no amen ya mazwatimi atotomu foto sanso afo kan ofuriata woni amane eboso afo kwade opon kroma ne de asem de ato nsentwerofo nso anim wo se niema wudu obebre eyade a wo mugusu a wo mo ya ususu se bebo sikasem yi ene afofra wo de beka ho yewura ken ofuriata
the co-chair, and we are quite assured that they would be able to deliver what the IMF is looking for the board meeting to be successful on in the third week of November. So we'll still keep at it, but we leave feeling quite assured that what they did with financial assurances in May of last year, they will come through with the requisite documentation for an MOU for that meeting. So I think the fund expected us to do 1.5% by year end. I think average for the first 6 months is 3.2%, and therefore we expect it to be maybe closer to 2.5% at the end of the year, which is really strong. So we already went through Parliament with this issue of tax exemptions and how to make sure that they are relevant to
Wey ayora ken oforiata na nweche na kwadwo pon kroma nso ne sentwerefo etwetwe nkomo no so de asem kro ya dade tumu so 2024 budget no a aban ne niam a wode agu akwa mu no yade ebetumi aboa papa e magana fo ye nyina yekomu ebe haye.
It's good to agree as a first point that we are beginning to see a turnaround in the numbers at the macro level. Admittedly, when we talk of trickle-down economics, it takes a while for it to trickle down. And we're expecting that sooner than later it will trickle down. But I think the president's also been clear that we need to quicken efforts that ensure trickling down. That's why, for example, if you take growth is about how is the economy expanding or gearing up productivity.
Kwadwo wapon enkoroma ofase ayirebi emerase bedwane
enipa maako edunsia ene bra na UTV eye adwuma no ko bawura mu ho adane a wɔn yɛ NPP akyitaafoɔ no mapa ɛna wɔn aba hɔ kyerɛ sɛ asɛm wɔn mo ka ne hɔ nom no ɛnyɛ wɔn de nti wɔn de mmara no hyɛ wɔn nsam ɛbɔ wura mu wɔ hɔ asɛm no yɛ kɔ yɛ ba polisifoɔ bɛn mu ama akɔ yɛ court asɛm na akyemɔta magistrate court no kɔ atenase ma nipa mako edunsia yi wɔtwa ɛde ato wɔn tiri so so obi ntua 2,400 Ghana cedis mmaranim ni ɛde ma saa nipa mako edunsia yi yɛwura Gary ne mako.
So until if it's I'm paying until about court court of friend the family is probably same chair we see tree media and some of the people court they are all in the courtroom we haven't left they are in the courtroom until we have a truck when you should be as also team manager and say oh kaya chairman about papa show until if much when we are similar until we a chop on na ajubre much TV Peace FM OK FM we work with you all the time
Era Gary ni makoni yete nkan
Adishia wo free search adoma sen wakwabo yesese atu amantuo akotra North America wakeka ye ho abomu atikuo wo honam so masabre no search adoma se aban ya sabia wo pressure demo niema no bo no so America brothers wo pepe aduasa eno de aba beboa wonom na wo de bai so de ba beboa ma wonom so adishia e wo search adoma sen watumi anya ayahwe papa abafudie ya aba so ibi enye no nkwada woni adwumakuo bi e from African Eye Adventist organization kabo mu ye screening hwehwe ade hye nani ene wo ha kumenkuma bi aya ewo ho na no no de niema yi ema no jasehene na na ya yebo a esiama ene oba hema na na fosua antibia wo tosumienu ejina mu je niema no kire wo no mani so.
So the advancing in Potem, Latico or North America, yeah, a little boy. In a year, it took away the 2 be marshal. And the area, Minya, I sat there and America. But Omar, I was a fire job watcher, and so Obi a crabby hospital here, you say, intimate and so, infant quadra, infant cancer, and other places. All chrono unto me could na of transfer association. The said, you know, you don't know more cacay, so which media boa, ama, which must solve a problem can be so. If you can't home, so the big cacay, and yet you want to tell. And yes, can you never be any young who you find it. But a vision for a job more chairman. In Tribano, or more bread, we are there. Anesthesia machine and some other theater machines be on here. Which minor surgery should be over. Maybe you know, you might be who does.
Adishia we adwuma wo no da se na de okasa ye president ya sechre doma se adishia ya wo North America da wo no no na na osu
ye ko bebia ni anwea so abaton pesua no so na de tie ne samra so bedwane de ma wo mo ye wura Alfred Open na woni nsamtwerofo edin ko no kire se emfa ho de asi atwamu se de asi atwamu na ye Ghana sika nyame ya doma $2024 nko no be chede ma delegate se be ya na account sika bebrebe gumu nyina no ho betima ba mfa so pani na asem ni
Minim say day one, and I'm say amount for me bano upon resistance no man this time they will regroup, get more forces, put their resources together and fight one person. 80 minimum way no so no minimum amount for strength. Minimum be a financial limit. Minimum be a financial limit or minimum be a financial limit. 80 minimum how much they can easily pull and how when you have maybe 1 million Ghana, you can give away it be 1,000 and inti yebe cop primary nipa be 1,200. The other time a minimum we paid around 3,000 Ghana cedis per person. Inti assign I'm telling you say to come the be primary is in dollars and that money has been secured long ago. I must be frank with you, just say enya dia me dem nsa ebe cancer security money ayo mo nyina ya no mo ho ya mesrem. I have dollars there for that primary. What I can tell my delegate is say obi obe contest him just be obi to bia will pay more than that. And no dear they should take it from me because I have enough money. Come boom. No mutuya 10,000 per delegate. I'll pay more than 10,000 cedis per delegate. You pay to maybe they go 20,000, I'll pay more than 20,000. Because what I know how much I'll put there. I know how much I've reserved. It's now this kind of year in dollars. So the end say.
Tomire bi na se Awurade anso ye mu na wa maya komane agukudura ye be kan sem anopa bi a ye nka ye benya asem Awurade hu ye mobo ye be si ha na na kwabana kasini na afei
Asante ebo Benedict kwaku na esemufo paniku kwa Veronica Jandro akosesu mwam sise Japan wonu nyina da kan ho bi mfidide mo so Kevin ugina mu abebo adwuma eni school fees eni ye de abana wiye wo hinini ama kranchada zo aye sorry ama yewura man ye wadubu ache ode ade ache bia no ato aso e de ama
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no wo nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu wo to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma je ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa Womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a woma gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia womu ho 0540 311 311 0540-311-311. There's a 21st clinic. One more sciatica expert.
Honorable members, order. Mr. President, on my morning in our ATL.
Run.
Meda wunyina ase semuhui mo president de adra paroni ba emra ode esra me ho na Matias kinkin asemi atoma komako se Ghana ni bia emeke sure se ni sabeka adra e fa na paroni ba me bi e woni fie na ebeboa se yawo usisi na yawo ya ho na ba bia yawo ya bia o de kan ebeko yani finance minister ebekasa na oman budget yayimu 10 billion Ghana cedis edi aboa adwumakuo a eyesa adroi na nante ne mabawa oni adwuma yenso so enya bia ye paroni bam yesisiade ne honam ya adro son konkora Ike Herbaceuticals Limited diaba
FD aje adwede nkra troyi atum.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Mema wakwaba eba abe heba clinic ope ayansabia emprempren nipa dodo na do nani akiremu ho na wonya wayaresa na wonmo etiapa na aye abe heba clinic yade ahodo a abe heba clinic edi huduma eye sickle cell epilepsy etwere yade